All, in this video I will be speaking to you about why am I not liked by people, why I'm ignored by people, why people do not like me. If even though I'm there, I'm not there, that's not a big deal for people. It's fine. I am ignored finally. I'm not important in others' life. Why do I get such thoughts? This is the question many of them have in life, and the video is all about why do you get such thoughts inside. Point number one is, if you're having such thoughts, it's because you are giving more importance externally but not internally. So I'll explain to you what is internal and external. Internal is whatever you do, it's for your sake. External is whatever you do, it's for others' sake. If someone asks you who you are, you give a weird answer saying that I am a doctor, I'm a lawyer, I am a psychologist, or whatever. I've also made such mistake giving an intro about me like this. But actually, when someone asks you who you are, what kind of a person you are, you have to put the values, what kind of values you have, what kind of a personality you have, what kind of traits you have, what's your interest, what's your hobbies. These are the things you have to first put, and then the next profession comes. But many of them make a mistake, introducing self like that. That's how the world is. We give importance for how we contribute to the society, and if I'm contributed and if I'm approved, then only I'm liked, then only I get that love from people. This is a false notion, I can say, because when I have such thoughts, it's because of external. I can say it's externally I'm having such thought, and until and unless you keep doing that, you will be approved, and once you stop doing it, you will be disapproved. Example, if you have a big post, if you're a boss and you're doing a lot in life, and you're a contribution to the society, and once it ends, now you feel that you're ignored, now you feel you're not respected, you feel that you're not important in life, in others life anymore, because you did for others, it's not for your sake. When you have such thoughts, you did not put you as a first preference, but you put the others as a first preference. Let's take Michael Jackson as a big example here. He is a big person, big personality, a star, a rock star, a dancer. Yes, we love him. Even now we love him a lot. Because why we love him? He dances well, he did a lot to the society, and he is a music star. He contributed a lot to the music industry also. We loved him because of that. But here Michael Jackson did not approve himself internally. Example, I can give you here, where he transformed his whole skin color into a white skin color. Why did he do that? Because he had a fear that he will be ignored, he will be rejected, and if I have that white skin, I will be accepted by the society. This was a false notion Michael Jackson had, and many of the people have this. If I do this, I will be accepted. If I won't do it, I will be ignored. If I do a lot of makeup, I will be accepted. If I stop doing it, if I dress well, I'll be accepted. Otherwise, they ignore me. No. If you want to do it for your sake, not for the other's sake. The same here, Michael Jackson went into a lot of surgeries. He just gave a lot of pain to the body, and he lost his life in a very young age. Finally, he gave importance for the others, what others think, what others perceive about himself. So, here, how you are treated is not a matter. How you treat yourself is a big matter. So, start treating yourself in a right manner, start loving yourself in a right manner, give valid reason for what you're doing in life. Is it for others or is it for your sake? You want to get along with people, yes. You like to be social for what you want to be social. Because you are a friendly person, or is because others like to do it. Others like to be like that. If you're introvert, fine. Don't force yourself to get into an extrovert, behavior, because you have to start loving yourself. You have to accept however you are first. When you start accepting however you are, whatever you are first, nothing will matter. You achieve or you don't achieve, it won't be a matter. Just start loving, and doing things for your sake does matter. If you do that, if you put your heart to whatever you do, not because of others, because of yourself, and you put yourself as a first priority, you don't feel that you're not important in life, you're ignored by people, you're neglected by people. All that thoughts, negative thoughts, obviously it vanishes from your life. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you understood what I meant in the video. It's all about you. Start from you, love yourself, and then accept however you are first. When you do that, people will automatically love you and you don't feel that you're ignored by people. Thanks for watching my video.